How to remove powered by Shopify. But before that, if you don't know what is Shopify, it is a leading e-commerce platform that enables individuals and businesses to create, manage, and grow their own online stores, in which it provides a user-friendly interface and a range of customizable templates, allowing users with minimal technical knowledge to build the professional-looking websites. And Shopify supports various sales channels, including web, mobile, social media, and online marketplaces, and it offers integrated tools for inventory management, payment processing, shipping, and marketing. So now to create an account, you can click the Start Free Trial button on the top right. After signing in, you will be directed on this homepage of Shopify. And now to start removing the Powered by Shopify in here. When you try to visit your website below here, if you scroll down, it will show you this context that says My Store and Powered by Shopify. And to start customizing or removing it, for example, firstly, we're going to customize this My Store. And to do that, just click the settings button below here. And under this general section, just simply click this one and click My Store. Then click this icon, pencil. And in this pop-up window, just simply customize the store name. Instead of My Store, for example, I'm going to enter here your brand, for example, Siloms, and click the Save button to proceed. And upon doing so, when you try to click or go back to your Shopify online store in here and refresh this one, you'll be able to see that my store is now been changed into Siloms. And now to start changing this powered by Shopify, just simply go back on this page and click online store button. And upon clicking this online store, just simply proceed to themes section. And upon doing so, you should be able to see on the right side panel these themes and just click these three dots in order to start customizing it. Click this edit default theme content. Then you will be directed on this page and it will show you below the general section some of the options to navigate or start customizing. So you can simply search here or look for powered by Shopify. Or alternatively, you can click the filters or the section of the search bar and search powered. And below it will show you under links this powered by Shopify. So you can simply change this one by simply clicking on it and enter the space. Then click the save button on the top right to proceed. And upon doing so, you should be able to see when you try to visit your online store that this powered by Shopify has now been changed or completely removed from your online store. So when you try to visit in here and simply refresh this page, you should be able to see only the name of your store and there is no powered by Shopify included context in here. So when you try to click or zoom this one, you should be able to see only your store name and the year. You can also start customizing going back on this page under theme content. Some of the options we have here password page, login password, social links that you can link some of your Facebook account, social media account, the share, slider, and many more. But overall, that is just basically how you can remove powered by Shopify.